Hey everyone! Imagine this, you're about to submit a crucial report or look through photos from your vacation, and you plug in your USB drive, only for the screen to flash that heart-sinking error. You need to format the disk. But don't worry, today I'm going to teach you a complete process for USB drive data recovery and repair, guaranteed to bring your files and your drive back to life. Before we get started, let's look at what might be going wrong with your USB drive. Drive corruption usually has a few clear warning signs. 1. Prompts need to format. This is the most common scenario. The system recognizes the drive but won't let you access the data. 2. Corrupted or missing files. You can open the drive, but the files inside are either scrambled gibberish or have simply vanished. 3. Computer doesn't recognize it. After plugging in the USB drive, the computer shows no reaction at all, or it appears as an unknown device in the device manager. 4. Extremely slow reading speed. When trying to open a file or folder, the progress bar gets stuck, and the speed is as slow as dial-up internet. If you encounter any of these issues, please immediately stop using your USB drive. This is the golden rule of data recovery. Remember, fixing the USB drive and recovering the data are two different things. Our primary goal is the data. For situations involving file loss, accidental deletion, or even if the drive has been formatted, we highly recommend using a professional recovery tool, Aiseesoft Data Recovery. It's our top choice because its deep scan capability is incredibly powerful. It can find the low-level data that typical software overlooks. Plus, the user interface is very friendly. You can get it done in just 3 steps. 1. Select Drive and start scan. Launch Aiseesoft and choose USB or SD card recovery. 2. Preview and select. The software will start a quick or deep scan. Once the scan is complete, you can browse and preview all recoverable files just like navigating a folder. Select the types of files you want to retrieve, such as pictures or documents. 3. One-click recovery. Check the files you need, click the Recover All button, and save the files to your computer's hard drive. Great! Your files are safe! Now, let's try to repair the USB drive itself and get it back to working normally. Here are 3 system-level repair methods. Method 1. Assign a new drive letter. Sometimes a USB drive is inaccessible simply because the system hasn't assigned a drive letter correctly. 1. Press Win+X and select Disk Management. 2. Locate your USB drive and right-click on it. 3. Select Change Drive Letter and Paths, then assign a new, non-conflicting drive letter, such as Z. Often, this small action can solve a big problem. Method 2. Reinstall drivers. Corrupt drivers can also prevent the USB drive from being recognized. 1. Press Win+X and select Device Manager. 2. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers or disk drives. 3. Find your USB drive device, right-click it, and select Uninstall Device. 4. Eject the USB drive, restart your computer, and then plug it back in. The system will automatically reinstall the correct drivers. Method 3. Use cmd command diskpart. If the above methods fail, we can use diskpart, a powerful command line tool. 1. Press Win+R, type cmd, and run it as an administrator. 2. Type diskpart and press enter. 3. Type list disk to see a list of all disks, and make sure to confirm your USB drive's number, for example, disk 1. 4. Type select disk your USB drive number. 5. Type clean warning. This command will completely erase all partitions and data on the USB drive. This is why we recovered the data with Aiseesoft first. 6. Finally, sequentially enter create partition primary and format fs equals FAT30 to quick to recreate the drive's partition and format it. Let me emphasize this one last time, recover the data first, then repair the USB drive. As long as you promptly use a professional tool like Aiseesoft Data Recovery, there is a very high probability that your files can be retrieved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.